One of the mistakes some of us make during Salah is yawning. Abu Sa'id Khudri radiallahu anhu reported, "The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, said, when one of you yawns in a prayer, let him restrain it as much as he can, for devil enter therein." Sahih Muslim. This hadith signifies the importance of covering our mouth whenever we want to yawn. So whenever you feel the need to yawn, either when you're praying or when you just sit down and you feel the need to yawn, cover your mouth. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with another Muslim. I pray that Almighty Allah continue to guide us towards righteousness. Assalamu alaikum.